Hello. Today I have the requirement of conduct revenue report by query. I'm going to explain by three stages. This is the data normalization. Second stage will be the get inquiry and assembles type. I will use cross join function namely, and last make a key calculate custom column. Okay, let's start. First of all, should get the data. I'm going to take the long period and I will get this by transfer file by product. It needs a few minutes. Here you are. Actually we need just a three column which is the need. Here's the date, product, sales. Date will easily by the product should let's make product after few minutes. This the sales amount. Grouped some product by three category, and I will use the if function by this. If let's use is number. Find a key term, the object cell close, and true value should be waiting unless another if should need it. Is number. Also find function by this close parenthesis true logic cold water pipes. So third last function, here's the need or function actually, because we have two close find function, close is number function, and close or function. Go closed, false logic, close parenthesis. Yes. Yes. Also, primarily I make this three column date, product and sale. Also don't need some kind of transaction. I doesn't need. Okay, let's blank. It doesn't need. Copy on another sheet. Right now we should make date this way. Get data easily. Choose the data, text and column. First should next, yes, and finish. Okay, let's make it replace. Yes. And also replace. Okay, let's assemble the day minus year minus month and also the date. Yes. I'm going to this in number, yeah, and I will get this the date. Yeah, I doesn't need anymore. And let's make this the pivot table, and let's go to get the query. We get this in query, and we are going to write some requirements. After the steps, we should change the names for use these key names for next stage of using the functions. First, we should make this one. Here's the M language. I'm going to distinct. Actually, it's the function when you remove duplicates. Squared open parenthesis, this the product, close squared parenthesis, and another, and enter. I'm going to rename this. Another function, it's related to date. Make a list, capital letter need, minimum, source, squared date. Yes, this is the minimum date. I'm going to rename. Another same one. Squared date. I have also the max date. Very cool. Now I'm going to fx function also again. Make the number function from max date. This is exactly name of this step. minus min date, also +1, because the last day should not miss. Assemble this function by this list datus upper parenthesis min date number days exactly. Let's intern new function duration upper parenthesis. I need the days, 0 hours, 0 minutes and 0 seconds. Close and close. Oh, this number days I have written badly. Yes. Oh yeah, this date should be changed. Let's go back. I'm going to change this date. Yes, and now I have done. Now I'm going to this list, get in transform as to table. Yes, default. Next I should go to table and get this end of month. Let's remove duplicates. By the way, when removing duplicates, it's the distinct function, same object has, and let's change the name by double click. This is end of month. While we continue the source of steps, I'm going to go back, and this list should be made in buffer. Let's use the buffer function. Yes, I'm going to insert list point buffer open parenthesis product names close parenthesis. I'm going to list buffer. I make this step and go forward. I'm going to add the custom column. Yes, custom column, and here just read list. Yeah. Now we match each date by this product. I'm just expand these rows, and I have done. Change this custom column's name product. Also, I want to this change by the text column. Let's get and make this the ascending, also another, and I have done cross join function. I have finished. I'm going to start the calculation step. Now we will continue our race. Next stage should be match this table to this table, but this table, which is the first source, should be some fix. Now let's continue. Now fx function I need this source. I go back and bring this code. I will replace end of month. Also I will replace L month, and now I make this group by function. Yes, L month product monthly sales, not count but sum and sales. Yes, I make this. Now let's try to write a nested join function. We going to assemble new table by nested join function open parenthesis. I forget to change the names which I should use in new function. There does not necessary to use spaces. And let's continue. I lost table nested join open parenthesis group 1 grouped rows scroll, not scroll, this kind of brackets. I need a month. Also I need product, and I need another started row sorted rows table. This step sorted rows, and I will use some trick. Here I need comma, maybe does not need, I don't know exactly, but let's try. And just the sales. Maybe this commas is not necessary. Let's try. Oops, we need the first this and after this. Okay, I cut Yes, there was the case. First sorted, and which is the starting first, we gonna sorted first, and second we conduct this nested join function, and let's continue this custom tree, expand this, yes, expand, and make this in buffer function. Very useful because you can to monthly sales. I will delete this space. Actually, M language is not flexible, underdeveloped language in coding, but I think it has the great future. This one, and remove this 0 ones, and I will replace value. Yes, insert 0. Okay, and now it's maybe, yes, replaced value. Next stage, we should make the custom column, and we should add new column by 1. Actually, in this column we should conduct the main calculations. This is equal or more, and let's open this gyro and should start the function. First, previous table custom for, I will take the product by this double click. Buffering of main table, we are going to add new custom column where we can take calculation structure are conducted by this function. It means add column by buffer, column name will be custom, and make this calculation. Make sum, make a selection of buffers products and month. Lastly, add monthly sales. If I will hit the enter, I will calculate this. For example, cold water pipe, which is this number, and the next month, this is add this one and this one. I calculate by 12 months, and after 12 months it will repeat, and if I will see in the Excel, we will show. Let's load, close and load. Yes. What's the grade in this section? I took the, for example, one item, and I will calculate the 12 months, 1 year. I make receive 43,000. This is a 43,000, and next month I have sale 15,000, and previous year was a 0. So it means 43,000 will add, and next year will be same one here, and this is also same one. What's the grade by query function? For example, if I delete this, okay, delete, and make a refresh, you will see vanished the 16 year. It's vanished. New calculation are updated automatically. Okay, let's get back. So that was my video tutorial on about the query using from standard RS. Finally, I will save as not save a file because you will lose your query function. Excel workbook.